Normally we use it in combination with bone substitutes, and in some of these cases we need a long stability to allow the neoformation of real bone into the defect. The second reason for this choice is the very high scientific validation of Jason membrane. The third reason, but still very important, is the easy handling. Jason membrane can be indicated in all GBR cases, but especially when the size of the defect or the geometry of the defect require a long-term stability of the biomaterial. Another very good indication is in lateral sinus augmentation, where we want to protect the osteotomy site at the end of the intervention. For all indication, I prefer to use it wet. So normally we rehydrate with saline solution or blood of the patient. When you want to obtain a higher amount of volume or you want to stabilize it for a longer time, a good trick is to stabilize it with pins or using screws or using sutures.